Creating and maintaining an accurate catalog of your business's products and services is crucial. So, today we will be discussing an incredibly useful feature in HubSpot: cloning the products in the product library. Whether you're just starting out or expanding your product list, adding the whole new product all over again and again is too time-consuming and prone to errors. With this feature, you can add new products by cloning your existing product to save you lots of precious time and avoid data entry mistakes. When you log into your HubSpot account, navigate to Setting and select Products section by expanding the Objects list under the Data Management section of the left-hand navigation. In the Products dashboard, locate the product you want to clone or copy entirely to create another new product. Hover at the product and click on Action. From the drop-down Action menu, select the Clone option to create a copy of the product. A new window or tab will open, displaying the cloned product details. Here, modify the necessary information for the cloned product, such as the product name, its price, description, or any other details you need to change. Once you have made the changes, click on the Save or Save and Back to Product button to save the cloned product. And your new product is added within no time, with no risk of incorrect data. One specific example of this can be when you have a product that comes in different sizes or colors. Instead of creating each variant from scratch, you can simply add one product and clone the original product, modify the details like size or color, and save it as the new variant. This saves you time and ensures consistency across your product offerings. That's all for this one. Share this tip with other HubSpot users by liking and sharing this video. Subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to be notified of more such helpful HubSpot tips. Thanks for watching.